Alright guys, got the 42 military Jeep here. Just gonna do a cold start. Went mudding this weekend and kinda got some mud everywhere, but as you can see we had it up to the fan in water and it kinda cleaned off the fan pretty nice. It's pretty funny. But yeah, you know, she's a Jeep. She's meant to be used, so we're using her. Let's see how good she starts up here. She's been sitting for a while after we took her mud, and so we'll see if we got any water in the distributor cap or anything. Fuel pump, and whoop, it fired. That was quick. Come on, babe. Smooth out, please. Choke a little bit. Here we go.